Good afternoon from Commonwealth RV in Ashland, Virginia. We're here today checking out this 2024 Grand Design Imagine. It's a beautiful travel trailer. It boasts one slide out that makes the interior seem much bigger than this small travel trailer is. It's got great space for outdoor cargo to take all your gear with you. If we look inside, it has a beautiful kitchen. I love the way the window looks out over the back. Those are the controls for your awning, oven, microwave, refrigerator, lots of storage. Just behind that, we have this lovely comfy couch, which folds into a bed. And then if we look onto the other side, you'll see the TV mounted up there and the dinette, another bed. Stepping back, the next thing we have is the restroom, easily accessible from the front. Has everything you need, including these sliding doors, which I much prefer over the curtain, stays much cleaner. And then in the back, there's this door, and it blocks off the master bedroom, has another door to the outside you just saw with a screen. Plenty of storage over top, has some great little lights, has a TV inside as well. So if you want some more information about this 2024 Grand Design Imagine, check out our website. It's commonwealthrv.com. There you'll find current pricing as well as availability. We look forward to meeting you soon.